your situation right now is a call for God's attention, and your situation right now is an opportunity for you to see the display of God's power, of His hand, of His grace and salvation sa buhay mo, kapatid. Amen? May sitwasyon ka ngayon, masakit, yes. Hindi po natin yan in-undermine yung pain, yung suffering mo. But you know what? Opportunity pala yung mga sufferings na yan para ma-experience mo yung kapangyarihan ng Panginoon. Our pain and suffering is an open invitation for God's power to work in us supernaturally. Nakita ba niyo ang blessing sa imong pain? Usahay manggod ka ng pag natay painful situations, uptik ka niya to ang baba mo reklamo. Nganong ako man? Nganong di man akong silingan, napasaway man na. Sometimes, you hated the idea that you are suffering because as much as possible, gusto man ko comfortable. Mas maayo na lang siguro